Hello everyone, this is the first video in a series of videos in which I'll be showing you a demonstration of T-Reqs. T-Reqs is a support tool for managing requirements in development of large-scale agile systems. It's an open source project developed by researchers at Chalmers University and University of Gothenburg in Sweden. First of all, to start with, we can navigate to the Git repository of T-Reqs, which you can find in gitlab.com/treqs-on-git. As of now, you can see 3 projects here. The one that we are interested in at the moment is this one called T-Reqs NG. We'll be looking at the other projects in future videos. If you scroll down, you will be able to read about what T-Reqs basically is. The idea behind T-Reqs is that during development of large-scale systems, there are a large number of requirements that need to be managed. These requirements could have codependencies, and they could be based off other concepts, such as use cases and business goals. You can read the objective of T-Reqs here, which is put succinctly as T-Reqs' objective is to offer lightweight tooling to manage requirements in large-scale agile system development. Its philosophy is to bring requirements close to teams by putting requirements into the hands of teams and allowing managing them together with changes of code and test. I will be showing what you can do with T-Reqs in this series, but for that we need to install it. To install T-Reqs, you need to have Python 3 installed in your computer. If you don't have Python 3 installed, you can simply download it by going to www.python.org. Clicking on Downloads and download Python. You can select your operating system here as well. Once you've installed Python, you'd need to clone this repository and navigate to it. From the root directory of the repository, execute pip install-e command. This command will install T-Reqs in your system. Once it's installed, you will be able to run T-Reqs command from your terminal. There you go. You have T-Reqs installed in your system. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll see what more we can do with T-Reqs.